Welcome to another episode of the DIY project. Today I'm going to be showing you how I resize my wig cap. Right now I'm using a 22 head circumference of a wig head, and this is the wig cap I'll be using. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is to place my wig cap on the head. I'm going to make sure the wider side is in the back and then the narrow part is facing the front, as you see in the video. So previously I already had my measurement done on my mannequin, so I know exactly the measurement I'm working with. I did not take in this video, but I can do a separate video on how to take your measurements. But right now I'm just going ahead and follow the marks that I put on the head, and I'm going to pin the wig cap down. After which I'm gonna look around and make sure if there's any extra space, I'm gonna be taking out those space using a needle and a thread. So after this, you're gonna see me just resize the wig cap. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think at the end of the day. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.